And recently, I think so, you have uploaded one video in which he told me that before starting this channel, where he went on this adventure of learning hundreds of skills, he actually went through a miserable breakup, right? You
Yes.
mentioned this story, and at that particular moment, it was a perception shattering moment for me, because I thought that all the breakthrough, all the learning happens when your everything is flowering, everything is beautiful, and you're going beautiful going on, and there can't be any breakthrough when you're miserable, right? That was my perception.
Sure. Okay, well, now that we mentioned the breakup, and that time I was feeling like I wasn't worth much, if
Yeah,
that makes sense.
yeah.
And I did want to do the YouTube channel, right? I knew I wanted to do something with skills. I wasn't sure what. So when I thought of like, I called it at the time the 100 Skills Project,
Hmm.
then I think while doing that, what I was doing was kind of doing self improvement, self development,
Yeah.
and that I feel like started to kind of regenerate myself by learning skills. So it kind of the learning skills actually healed me, like the process of doing it, basically, I would say.
So
Right. This happened in about 4 months, that project, and it was every day trying to roll something out every day, a new skill. But that meant that before I had to prepare for that, right? Because it's not just improvised. Like I had to have the equipment. If it was skateboarding, I had to have the skateboard. If it was soccer, right? Had to have everything. So it had to be planned out for like ever since then. Now it's just like it's not even it's like my own discipline. Like you know how there's like soccer, you soccer player, you're a gymnast. Like this learning skills is like my own thing now, and I'm like super passionate about it.
if we take example of breakup, if they may go through a miserable situation like breakup, it's very difficult for them to even perform normal tasks, and you clearly did something extraordinary after that. So will you consider a possibility that you might be a little bit different, a little bit person who's
Oh,
very able to handle adversities well compared to others?
anyone? No, 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 no. I think anyone can do that, but I do think that my experiences, right? Everyone's experience is different. The
Yeah.
skills for example, are different than mine. Your skill set, right? Your previous experiences. So I do think there is a factor of individuality, right?
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
or uniqueness to a person where you might perceive something differently. So I think in my case, right, I just happen to deal it a certain way. This clinical psychologist and kung
Yeah,
fu instructor going through a breakup. I'm still
yeah.
human, right? And hitting rock bottom, but then finding a way to regenerate myself. Maybe somebody else would do it differently, but no, anyone, absolutely anyone can do it.